company in Makati?
I have chosen this company because I think it gives more than the other companies.
It gives more what?
It gives more.
Vitamins, minerals, what?
I think it gives more value to their customers than other in terms of their accommodation and stay in their
Okay, may I know if you know our complete name of our hotel?
Trader Hotel Manila.
Okay, so you're applying to become a what?
I am applying to become
Janitorial.
Okay, oh yes, because of what?
because I think my capability and skills is better in this kind of.
Okay, you're speaking of skills. What are your skills?
I have
I have two hands.
Two hands.
The left.
And the right.
I can give the customers their 100% satisfaction in their stay, and I believe that when I become accepted in this company, they will enjoy their
When
stay.
I be accepted in this company,
The customers will enjoy more because they will experience a hassle-free.
hassle-free. What do you mean by hassle-free stay?
Dictionary.
For example, problems with other staff, I
Manage.
I can manage the staff and accommodating our guests.
Okay, next. Okay.